He's moving! He's moving! Oh shit! Okay, alright, so for safety reasons, this is the cameraman's, so you can take that. This one on. I'm forgetting something. What am I forgetting? Oh, you know what? There we go. That's better. Kids, don't try this at home. Do what I say, not what I do. Safety's off. Background, we're good. Not hit. How the hell did I miss every shot?
You did a good one, soldier.
He did. Oh, god damn. He's gone. I'm chasing after you, then I'm first on the second lap, and then I chase after you on the third lap. You.
Okay, so.
Oh yeah, there it is. Look at the juices. Look at this. Now I don't see any entry point. Oh, I barely didn't miss. Do you see this? I skimmed the top of it. I was 5 feet away and I could almost miss the shot. I am such a stupid marksman. Oh my god. It doesn't help that I built a goddamn gun weapon if I can't fucking use it properly. This is so stupid that, like, if you were to tell high school me this is what I'd be doing in like 2 years, I wouldn't believe it. Okay. This thing is really fun to swing though. I'm not gonna lie. This thing is like, I don't know how to describe it, but like this thing is so fun to swing. Kind of like a bat of sorts. That was surprisingly smooth. Holy shit. How much did I cut off? Okay, hang on. I got hang on. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's just balanced. There we go. Nope, that is not it. What was this magic that I was doing earlier? What the fuck? Without catching my cat ears. Because that's already a problem.
Adjust the ears. It's in front of you. It's above your eyes.
Oh. Oh. That's interesting. This might be the last shot with cat ears, honestly. I think the joke is way past its time I needed to be. Well, I missed the melon completely. Oh, there it is. The cover for the CO2 canister. So if that got broken, this thing would actually explode. Okay, I think that's good for that shot. Here, hand me your phone. How about you? I wouldn't like to have the cat ears, but... Here we go, just a big down chop, just like an axe, just
straight down?
Straight down. It's gonna get stopped by the wood, but it's gonna be fine. Just go.
I'm not gonna like destroy this thing. It's a little bit on its last legs.
Hey, content. It's just content at this point. Just go for it when you feel good. We are absolutely rolling. Oh, my bag is all melon. Oh my god. Wait, okay, I'll put the back down. Holy shit.
It was honestly, that's what I was worried about.
Surprised. I'm also surprised. That looked great. Like, I was looking at the camera the entire time, and just the splattage alone was oh so good. Yes. Oh my god, that is brutal.